Everyone, cooking dairy free and off gone here with Nancy, and we're gonna bake some chicken in the Ninja. So I've got some olive oil. Kind of, it's not the only bottle I have, but this is empty, so I'm gonna use that up. And family had, it's called firecracked chicken, and those spices I cannot have, so I'm making a little bit different. I do have a piece of chicken. And yes, it's wrapped in paper towels because they like to pat it dry when they're frying and cooking. So let me get this out of the package. Yeah, out of the package. That's right. Let me get this in here. Get these paper towels up over it. Alrighty, so that can go in like that. Alright, so I've got my chicken in here, and I cooked hamburger earlier, so that's all in there. I'm gonna use all those juices and stuff. So I'm gonna get this. I'll coat it with the olive oil. Flip it. The other side. And it's got some basil and thyme in there, and I'm gonna add some more. Put some more salt. Yes, I like the pink Himalayan salt. And we'll just add some more basil to it. There we go. I'm gonna bake this on 390 for 20 minutes. So, you know, it should be done in 20 minutes. So I will, hold on, show y'all what I'm doing. So 390, 20 minutes. This will go to down to, well, bake. We'll change it, or you can change the temp. Can y'all see that? Because I'm not seeing what I'm doing. There we go. So you change the temp. You want to go down, you want to go up. We say 390. Push on the time. We're going to go up to 20 minutes. That's good. And this top comes down, and you start. And we'll see you in 20 minutes. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. Let's check this chicken. Ooh, good. This thing is hot, so there we go. Alrighty. It looks awesome. Look at this. There we go. It is done. 20 minutes baked in the Ninja Foodie. So last night I just made some noodles, put some vegetables in it and everything. Wasn't nothing too fancy or anything. Well, you know, we all like simple stuff. So I have some left over. And I was thinking this right here would be nice to add the chicken. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the setting from bake. Oh, let's see here. We don't want to slow cook. We just kind of like sear saute. Put it on medium. Because we're going to add some water back in here with this. So just add a little bit of water, get all those juices. Get it all heated up. kind of a sauce, but you know, a soup. It's too hot for soup, but you know, soup is good anytime. And this is seasoned with basil, thyme, rosemary, a little bit of salt. There we go. Now that's heating back up. So what we're going to do now is cut the chicken up. And add the chicken in here. Alright. Kind of just shred it, just, you know, just take it apart with a spoon and a knife, or a fork and a knife, whether you want big pieces or little pieces. Alright. Alrighty, we're almost there. Right on in. Give it a nice stir. Let those noodles heat back up. Now, like a sauce, if you use flour or cornstarch, you could put that in there. But take a little bit of water and mix it. Like make a slurry first, and then stick it in there, so it thicken up. Alright, so while that is cooking, I'm gonna get a little bit of water. And I'm gonna add a little bit of cornstarch. Some eyeball it. And there we go. It's snowing inside. Alright, there we go. Oh well, you know, it's just one of those things. And you just mix it up. It's like you're making a white soup. That's a slurry. Make sure it's all mixed together, and then we're going to pour it in. And there we go. And that's what I get for wearing a black shirt and not wearing the apron over top of it. But the last time for it to go in the wash. Alrighty. So give this a good stir. Oh, that smells so good. Awesome. And as it sits and cooks and heats back up, that will get thick. And then you have your sauce. I figured since I'm not using spaghetti sauce, this would be a great way to make a white sauce. I do make a white sauce with cauliflower, and that will be also coming soon. So there we go. Look at that. Oh, the steam. It smells so good. Even on a hot day. A good meal. See, it's getting thick. As I pull this back, you can see it just kind of goes back. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off, and we're gonna plate this up. See, the bowl's already ready. Let me get a ladle. Alrighty. And I'll get the rest out here in just a few minutes. But there we go. Does that look good? Now y'all know what's coming. It is taste test time. Oh, yeah, I got one thing. We can't forget this. The cheese. We need the cheese. What I'm going to do is just put some right on there. And then we'll give it a nice stir. And it will melt while it's being stirred. Oh yeah, here we go. And it makes the sauce creamier. Here we go. You ready? We got some noodles, the green beans, some corn, chicken, and a white cheesy creamy sauce. Oh my goodness, that's so good. And I think the cornstarch that landed in the bowl actually helped thicken it up too. So oh my goodness, this is a great meal and everything. Especially if you're looking for something quick and easy. Use a Ninja if you have an air fryer, or if you have one of the other brands that you can use. You know, try not to use the oven as much in the summertime. Sometimes we have to, but you know, if you can't, you know, if you can get away from doing it, that's another idea. So thank y'all for coming by. We'll see you next time. We're cooking dairy-free and alpha-golf Nancy. Y'all have a wonderful day. God bless, stay safe, and we love y'all.